Green Bay Wacky. I do news, comedy skits, how-to videos, original music videos, and fun and interesting live streams. You gotta go to my playlist. Green Bay Wacky is on all social media platforms. Support me by subscribing, becoming a monthly member, go to my About page for merchandise, or simply share my videos. Hey, it's the Wacky. It's Green Bay Wacky. I haven't done just a plain old how-to video in a while. Hey, remember how-to videos on your channel are great, even if it's not your thing. They get views for like years and they generally don't get censored on YouTube. So I got this Grand Prix right here, 2006. You can kind of see it there. There you go. See the Grand Prix. Anyway, window not going down. That'll probably cost you $400 at a shop. I did it for about $43. Let me show you how to do it. It's going to be a window regulator on a Pontiac Grand Prix 2006. All right, cool. See ya. All right, guys, we're going to put this new window regulator over here. Put this Grand Prix. First step, right here. You got to get this off. Then look behind here. Two 10mm bolts. That's the next step. Put them in a safe place while you're doing it. Okay, I kind of just yanked on that so I can get my finger here. So this is loose now. Let me pull the rest of it out. And I just popped it out a little more. Just kind of follow it around here. Still got a clip over on this side. And this just comes off a lot easier now. See how it's got two clips? And doesn't look like we broke any clips. A little better view. So we're gonna take that off. There's the plug here for this. Decide to unplug the switch so I can move that out of the way. Okay. Right there, that should be a 10. This one. Right here is a cap. Another one back there. So we got that. the other one here for the window. You gotta lower the window to get to the other bolt there. And that should now allow us to get this out. Now my window's holding up right now. But assume it could drop. So we have the plug on the motor right here. Piece of crap. Window regulator. One new one. So just loosening the screws here. Little bumpers that grab. Just got that kind of loose. So that'll let the window get into the slot. That was a little bit tricky to get the bumpers up on the window, and then I had to gently feed that bolt through. That's the one where we're gonna put this nut on first. So take your time, don't break your window there, because you got two of the bumpers. Now just have everything hand tight. That one, that one, that one. Just hand tight, and the ones on the window. Like the one that's in there for the window. And the other one, we'll have to bring the window down to tighten up. Alright, so I plugged it in. If you want to use a twisty tie or something that might bounce around making noise, I might put a twisty tie on that. Maybe. Just to hold it in place. I think I'm going to put a twisty tie on that. Anyway, tighten that. Tighten that. I tighten that. And I tighten the one in the window. And now I'm going to bring the window down to get that last one that's behind there. Yeah, I put a little twisty tie on that just to keep it from rattling, making noise. So I brought the window down. You can see it's working. It is new, but gotta tighten that last bumper up right there. Cat back here. careful with the clips. Don't break them. Little lip up top. Got those bolts back on. There we go. Good to go. One of my favorite things to do.